Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed professors and students, I am honored to speak to you today about the importance of analytical chemistry. The field of analytical chemistry is crucial to our understanding of the world around us, and its methods and techniques are used in various industries, scientific research, and daily life. At its core, analytical chemistry is the study of the behavior of substances and their reactions. Through the use of advanced techniques and equipment, such as spectroscopy, mass spectrometry, and nuclear magnetic resonance, analytical chemists are able to identify, determine, and quantify the composition and structure of matter on a molecular level. One of the most significant aspects of analytical chemistry, its application in determining the quality and purity of products. From food and pharmaceuticals to consumer goods and raw materials, analytical chemists play a vital role in ensuring the safety, efficacy, and authenticity of these products, ultimately protecting the health and well-being of the public. Furthermore, analytical chemistry contributes to advancements in many other scientific fields, such as biology, physics, and materials science. By examining the structure and properties of substances, chemists are able to create new materials with unique properties, improve existing technologies, and develop new treatments for diseases. Analytical chemistry also has a major impact on our daily lives through its application in environmental monitoring and forensic science. These fields help us understand the impact of human activity on the natural world and support efforts to protect our ecosystems and prevent environmental degradation. In conclusion, analytical chemistry is an essential discipline that drives innovation, improves our understanding of the world around us, and benefits society as a whole. As we progress in this field, it is important to remember the pioneers who came before us and the groundbreaking work they accomplished, so that we may continue to push the boundaries of chemical knowledge and make the world a better place for all. Thank you.